Hey everybody, today is July 10th. I'm just doing a quick market recap. Today I am down $3,000. As you can see here with Tradecopia. And then since today is a Friday, I'm just kind of going over the week. I have had 3 losing days and 2 winning days, so definitely not an easy week. But thankfully still walking away small green for the week. And the discrepancy here between the 3K and the 2K is just because of the data sync. It's still ongoing. But yeah, just ending the week small green. Definitely not an easy week. This was the trade I took. Going long for a continuation play higher in the PM Silver Bullet. Didn't work out in the end, but it is what it is. We'll just have to move on for next week. And then yeah, let's go into the recap today. So as I've been stating in my previous few videos, the macro draw is still very difficult to read, very choppy, and it's volatile at the same time. So without wasting time, very choppy daily, nothing insightful there. Likewise with the 4 hour, um, very choppy, SMT at the highs, at the lows, just the chart doesn't even look the same for ES and NQ. Nothing insightful there. 1 hour is the same thing. So going into today, I'm just trying to see what happened overnight on the 15-minute. Basically just some level of consolidation on both ES and NQ, as you can see here. And then again, I don't usually trade the first 15 minutes, so just waiting to see what price wants to do. And then yeah, just the market opens, price pushes past London highs for both ES and NQ. And then yeah, just at this point, once the silver bullet starts, I don't really have a good idea. I didn't really have a good idea or picture. There's no 5 minute fair value gaps to work off of, no clear sweep of any sort. So as someone who trades the ICT 2022 model, I was just patiently waiting. And then yeah, after that, some scammy news candles came out. And then at this point, if I just do a quick replay, you know, when I saw this, I was just like, okay, I'm done for the EM session. So there's no point looking at this any further. Look at this. So just got off entirely, skipped the whole AM. Boom, lunch session comes in, and then once the PM session starts, price is just grinding higher and higher. So at this point, I started looking for, okay, what sort of level would be relevant here, and the only one that I could immediately think of was this 4 hour, 1 hour high on NQ as a potential draw. And then yeah, just patiently waiting. Again for the silver bullet. First thing I noted here is a rebalance here. It's a nice little sweep rebalance and push higher. Okay, so that kind of validates bullish order flow. And then I was seeing this 5 minute right here as a level of interest. So if price were to come back down and show a strong closure higher, the initial frame was something like here. This is the invalidation point, where I feel like if price comes all the way down here, then this is no longer bullish, and something like this. So basically close to a 1 hour 1 hour trade. But yeah, kind of going to this a little deeper on the 1 minute. Once the silver bullet started, I saw a strong closure above, which is what I wanted to see. And then basically, again, this would have been how I framed it. So this was kind of what I was looking for. Price ended up actually taking up high, but never pushing past it. It came all the way back down and chopping even till market close. So, once price came all the way up here, came back down, and then this is official 4 p.m. Once I saw this like come back down here, I just got out at like 3:53 ish. So break even day for most of my accounts. Ending the week small green, basically break even. And yeah, just tough week overall. So we'll see how things go next week. I'm really hoping for better price action, more clarity on the larger time frames. So yeah, everyone have a good weekend, and I'll see you next Monday.